Homeowners in Talladega are no strangers to fluctuating temperatures. From hot, humid summers to cool, breezy winters, keeping indoor spaces comfortable can often feel like a battle against the elements. One of the most overlooked solutions for improving comfort and lowering energy bills is door replacement. Upgrading old, drafty doors to modern, energy-efficient models can have a dramatic impact on your home's performance all year long. Sealing out drafts and air leaks. Older doors often have worn weather stripping, cracked frames, or gaps that allow air to seep through. In summer, that means your cool air-conditioned air escapes outside, while in winter, cold drafts creep indoors. These small leaks add up, forcing your HVAC system to work harder and driving up energy costs. A new energy-efficient door is designed with tighter seals and precision engineering. Many modern doors use advanced weather stripping and insulated cores that minimize air transfer. By eliminating drafts, you maintain consistent indoor temperatures, making your home more comfortable while reducing strain on your heating and cooling systems. Insulation that works for every season. Today's replacement doors are more than just a solid slab. They're built with insulated cores and energy-smart materials. These upgrades help regulate indoor temperature whether it's 95 degrees Fahrenheit in July or dipping close to freezing in January. In summer, insulated doors prevent hot outdoor air from heating up your interiors, keeping your living space cooler. In winter, that same insulation holds in warmth, blocking cold air from sneaking inside. This dual protection ensures your energy efficiency isn't just seasonal, it benefits you throughout the entire year. Lower energy bills. The connection between door replacement and energy savings is direct. When your HVAC system doesn't have to compensate for lost air or fluctuating temperatures, it runs more efficiently. This translates into lower monthly utility bills. Many homeowners in Talladega notice the difference right away. By investing in new doors, you're not only upgrading the look of your home, you're also putting money back into your pocket with each reduced energy bill. Protection against humidity and moisture. Talladega's climate brings not only heat but also significant humidity. Old wooden doors may swell, warp, or rot under constant exposure, creating even larger gaps where air can escape. Moisture can also compromise indoor comfort and lead to issues like mold or mildew. Modern replacement doors are designed to resist moisture damage. Fiberglass and steel models, in particular, hold up well against humidity, providing long-lasting durability and continued energy efficiency no matter the season. Added comfort beyond energy savings. Energy efficiency doesn't just mean cost savings, it also means enhanced comfort for your family. By preventing drafts, you eliminate hot spots and cold zones in your home. Rooms stay evenly heated or cooled, making it easier to enjoy every corner of your living space. Plus, many energy-efficient doors come with soundproofing benefits, reducing outside noise. This is especially helpful if you live near busy roads or in high-traffic areas of Talladega. Eco-friendly living. For homeowners who care about sustainability, door replacement is an easy way to reduce your carbon footprint. Using less energy means your home is contributing fewer greenhouse gas emissions. Choosing eco-conscious materials in your new door can further align your home with green living goals. Boosting curb appeal with efficiency. While energy efficiency is the main advantage, door replacement also improves your home's curb appeal. Sleek designs, modern finishes, and customizable styles allow you to pick a door that matches your home's architecture while performing at its best. This combination of aesthetics and function makes door replacement a smart long-term investment. Final thoughts. Replacing your doors may seem like a simple upgrade, but in Talladega's varied climate, it's one of the most effective steps you can take to improve year-round energy efficiency. From sealing out drafts and lowering utility bills to enhancing comfort and curb appeal, energy-efficient doors offer benefits that last in every season. Whether you're preparing for another hot Alabama summer or ensuring your home stays cozy in winter, Door replacement is a cost-effective, practical solution that pays dividends year after year.